Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a haul for you guys, and I have a lot of random stuff in here. Like I have blanket, not just a regular blanket, it's a really interesting one. I have lamp right here. I have clothing, nail polishes, makeup, and yeah, so I will just go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with the clothing. So first one is from Stylewe.com. I got one jumper from Stylewe, and I just want to say the shipping was amazing. Like, I ordered my item today, I received an email tomorrow that my item was shipped, and then 2 days later I got my top, which was like, I was like, dang, that's really freaking quick. And I believe this is an international shipment, so that's really impressive. And I got this jumper right here. It looks really cute. I really like the detail. I really like the color. It is in the size extra small. Fits me really nicely. I'm gonna try this on for you guys to see. It feels really warm as well. The material is really thick. The packaging is just really impressive. Like with my package, I got this envelope right here. Well, not really envelope, but it looks like that. It's just very put together. And then inside is the information of your item, which is just really cool. And then you will also receive this bag right here. I know this is really not important, but I just want to show you guys the packaging is so legit. So it came with this bag right here, which you can reuse if you want to, because it's like that. So yeah, I will leave their links below. Really satisfied. I really like this, and yeah, it will keep me warm, which is great. And then I have two more clothing items in here. This I got from Dottie. We went to the mall. I don't even know when we went, but it's been I think 2 weeks ago. They were having a sale, and I saw these tops, and these tops were 2 for $20. It's just a basic turtleneck top. This one is in black. You really can see it here, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys so you guys can see. But yeah, the black looks like that. I really like the material. It feels really nice and comfy. And then the second one is this one. I really actually like this better than the black one, but yeah, I'm really into stripes. It looks black in camera. It's actually dark blue and white stripes. But yeah, 2 for $20. And then from Gearbest.com, I got two items. What? I got two items from there, and this is the interesting blanket that I told you earlier. Oh my gosh, you guys, you will flip out. Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. I'm gonna show you guys. I've been needing a blanket because, as you guys know, it's really cold here, and this one is really handy. It really keeps me warm. Like, it's just perfect for when you're lounging around on your computer. But okay, let me show you first what this is. It is a mermaid looking blanket. I'm not really sure if you can see this. Oh my god, I need to insert a clip of me wearing this so you can see. But that's the tail. I mean, this whole thing is the tail of a mermaid, but that's it right there. This one is really long. It's a really thick blanket. It really keeps me warm, which that's all I want right now. And then because it's really long, it can actually reach up to here for me because I'm a short person. I actually really like this. I need to wash it though. I already tried it once, and I need to wash it because it has the really funky smell to it. Next one from Gearbest, you guys. This is my favorite item in this haul. You guys, it is a mirror lamp. So it is a makeup mirror. I mean, you can use it for whatever, but I use it when I'm applying my makeup because it just works really good. So it is a mirror and a lamp in one. So you can move around the top like so, like whatever you like. And then that's not it. You can press this bad boy right here. Hello guys. You can press this bad boy right here, and it lights up, and that's just perfect. And that's not it. There's one more button right here for the, and this is flat, by the way, like really flat. So it's just really sophisticated, very futuristic looking. So yeah, and then you press this button right here, and it lights up this area right here. So isn't that really cool? Nilalagay ko to sa bathroom and I put my jewelries in here whenever I go take my shower because I don't wear my showers. I don't wear my showers. Yes, you do not wear your showers, but I don't wear my jewelries when I take my shower, so I just put it right here. And yeah, it's just really cute, and the color really girly and pastel. I really like it. So yeah, and you will receive a discount if you use my code. If you use the code MIRROR, you will get this for only $28. That's US dollars. I'm not really sure how much that is in pesos. I think 113. I'm not really sure though, but it is originally 42 bucks, and I can see why, because it's legit. It's like really cool. I think it's very worth it. It also comes with a USB cord, so you can charge it. There's this thing right here where you can connect the USB thingy and charge it. Pero so far, hindi ko pa siya na-charge. I've been using this for maybe 5 days now, so long-lasting siya. Char long-lasting. And then I have this Skin Deva 20% vitamin C plus E. It is a serum. Looks like that. So it's from Skin Deva, and it has a dropper like so. I have been using it. I don't think I've used this long enough for me to say like, oh my gosh, there's a lot of changes on my face. Not yet, but if I do notice those changes, I will let you guys know on my vlogs, because as you guys know, I vlog daily. To the only makeup item in this haul, I have in here the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Mascara. I have it on my eyelashes right now, and I was vlogging earlier when I applied the eyelashes, and I was like, oh my gosh, these are really good. Like, look at my lashes, you guys. My eyelashes are on point because of this mascara. Kathy gave this to me. She has a channel. It's just Kathy. I will leave her links below. Filipina din siya. She lives here in Australia. Thank you so much, Kath. I'm loving it. It's really good. And then last 3 things in here are nail polishes. The first one is from Kath as well. This is the SC nail polish in the shade Cozy in Cashmere. I feature this on my May favorites video. I really like this. Like, this is the kind of color that I will never get tired of, because it's just perfect for whatever season or whatever you're wearing. It just goes well with everything. It's just that very generic color, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it. It's matte, and yeah, thank you, Kath. And then the last 2 nail polishes are from Revlon. Yes, looks like that. I have 2 shades. I usually don't get Revlon or like Maybelline nail polishes because I just feel like, you know what, they're just the same with the cheap nail polishes that I can get. And Revlon, Maybelline, I mean, for me ha, for reboot mode again, para sa akin ang mamahal. Parang di ko naman kailangan na sobrang mamahal na nail polishes. Pero these were on sale for only $1 each. So this one is just black. This is in the shade Espresso. I do not have black nail polish. I mean, I didn't bring my black nail polish with me, so I decided to get the black one just in case I will need a black one. And then this one right here looks really cool as well. I don't have this shade, so I decided to pick this one up. This is in the shade Balsam Fear. Yeah, Balsam Fear. I'm really liking this color. I do not have nail polishes in this color, so I decided to pick it up, and it was only for $1, so why not coconut? And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like the video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget to get bye.